cabin life is seeing what people do with their cabin kits. And this one is no exception. Absolutely beautiful. They've fancied it up, put this awesome rail around here. This is the Stradbroke cabin. We've put an extra window in the front up here, which makes great light. Beautiful deck, and they've done a fantastic job inside. Take a look at this. We've got our sunken in lights there. Beautiful sliding doors. Got these really nice clips here. And door slides nicely like that, and locks, of course. These beautiful big sliders. And then, wow, look at that. We'll close it up. You can see how quiet it gets with these double glazed windows and the double glazed doors. Once you close it up, it's really nice and insulated and very quiet. These guys have taken a lot of time to put some detail in here. We've got our beautiful downlights, smoke alarm in there, lovely fan. This kitchen cost about $5,000. You can get a cheaper kitchen from IKEA or Bunnings for about $1,000, but this one was custom designed. And you can see all these beautiful little cabinets in here. When you're building a kitchen in these cabins, you have to allow things for like a space here between the overhead cupboards, because the timber actually settles. You can see these timbers here. When these timbers settle, you've definitely got to allow a bit of space here for it to do what it needs to do. But it can be done. And we're going to the bedroom section now. We've put an extra window in here, just so we can put our bed head underneath, and that works really well. Those windows are beautiful, double glazed again. Got this awesome fan light. They come with a remote control, so you can sit in bed and control your light and your fan. This sliding door can go on both sides, so it could go on the outside here or on the inside. Beautiful timber door, nice and solid. And then in here we've got our bathroom. Once again, the sliding door can go on the outside or the inside. Nice solid timber. That's real solid timber there. Beautiful handles on it. And this is the bathroom space. Of course, designed to perfectly fit a toilet, vanity and a shower. Got the shave cabinet and a nice big window in there. Very bright, plenty of light. Even if we turn the light off, you can still see. It's quite a lot of light in there. So, there you have it.